Hey guys, so today I want to talk about stop loss. Stop loss is basically the price that you don't want go below it. So if you place a buy order and then you go and follow the graphs and check the market and see if it goes high or low, instead of it you can do an automatic sell order, which means that you can set a value, a number that you don't want the price to go below it, and as soon as it goes to this price it automatically sells. So I want to show you how to do that. Let's see, I'm using Binance. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is just find the signals. Let's just refresh. Okay, this is the latest ones. Okay, let's say I would go with XLM. Now you see the in the exchange it goes to Binance, so it's okay. I'm using Binance, and I'll just look for the signal for the cryptocurrency. Sorry, yes. XLM. Now this is the price. It's around the same price. Okay, now what it says is I can use this stop loss, this value, for safety. So when I place a bet, I'm gonna buy some. Let's see, go to market. Let's use 50%. Okay, let's use 50%. I'm gonna buy 3 XLMs. Cool. And now I'm gonna place a stop limit. Now to do so, as you can see in Binance, you have the buy XLM and sell XLM. Both are for stop limit. Basically you can do so the same with buy, but I'm gonna show how to do the sell. And after I bought the coins, I should place an input for the stop, for the limit, and for the amount. So what it means is the stop is where you want to stop. So I'm gonna stop here. Okay, that's enough. Oh, you can. Okay, that's enough. And then you place the limit. So what it means is when the price goes to this value, the limit is how much you want to sell. So you place a sell order and you place it on which value. You can place it the same value, but I recommend to place it in a lower value. So you can do the stop loss, use it as the limit, the price you want to sell it at, and you can do the stop a bit higher. Let's say 6. Yes. No, 5. Yes. Okay. And the amount. And that's it. This is how you place the stop limit. Let's do this. Oh, you see, they have this notification if the last price drops to or below this amount, BTC, in order to sell 5 XLM at the price of this. You see the limit. BTC will be placed. Yes. And that's it. After I place the stop loss, the stop limit, you can go back to your account and see in open orders. Here you can see the stop limit, which I placed. Here you can see the XLM. It's a sell order. I sell at this price. This is the amount, the total, and everything here happens only if the price goes below this. So as soon as XLM will be worth this in BTC, there will be a sell order placed on this price. And so while I was trading, I got the notification for the sell. Yeah, this is the trade history, and you can see that just over an hour sold the XLM. Actually, I just noticed that I sold 5 and bought only 3. I guess I had some from before, and that's it. This is the total BTC worth of that I got, and you can see that the price was the limit that I placed before. So this is basically how it works. I hope I helped you guys, and see you next time.